An electric power wheelchair can be a great help for people with disabilities. Standard wheelchairs often require a lot of effort to move and may not be the best option for long distances. So, electric wheelchairs are a smart choice for many, offering greater independence and mobility. And here we are with some of the top electric wheelchairs you can check out. All the wheelchairs links are in the description below. Number 15, RehabRolls Wheelchair. This lightweight, foldable electric wheelchair is designed for adults who need easy mobility and independence. It's strong, durable, and folds quickly to fit in a car trunk, making it great for travel. The chair runs up to 12 miles on a full charge depending on weight and weather. Higher speeds may reduce steering control, so use slow mode for better handling. A simple 360-degree joystick makes steering easy, even in small spaces. For safety, it includes a handbrake, seatbelt, and anti-tip wheels. Found in the back pouch, it uses two powerful 250 watts motors and solid, puncture-proof tires for smooth, reliable movement on various surfaces. Approved for airline travel. Number 14, COMFYGO Majestic IQ7000. This lightweight and foldable electric wheelchair is made from strong aircraft-grade aluminum, weighing just 60 pounds without the battery. It can support up to 350 pounds and includes dual 500 watts motors with a 12 ampere hours battery, offering a travel range of up to 13 miles. It folds in only 3 seconds and fits into most car trunks, making it easy to store and transport. The removable battery charges separately, and the seat and back cushions are easy to clean. With padded armrest and footrests, it offers great comfort and support. Built to handle all terrains like grass, snow, and rough roads, it also has a tight turning radius for small spaces. Airline approved, it comes fully assembled with a solid warranty and 24/7 customer support. Number 13, G Full Reclining Electric Wheelchair. This foldable electric wheelchair features a reclining backrest that adjusts from 90 to 135 degrees, along with a removable headrest and adjustable footrest for added comfort while sitting or resting. It folds in just 3 seconds, fits easily in car trunks, and is airline approved. The chair is lightweight yet strong, supporting up to 330 pound, powered by dual 500W motors and a 12 ampere hour battery. It can travel up to 30 miles and reach speeds of 6 meters per hour. The 16.7-inch centimeter rear wheels handle all terrains like grass, pavement, and gravel smoothly. It works in both electric and manual mode with a joystick that can be placed on either side. The breathable cushion is removable for cleaning, and it includes a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 12, COMFYGO X9. This ultralight electric wheelchair is made with strong aircraft-grade aluminum, weighing just 86 pounds without the battery. It can carry up to 310 pounds and includes dual 500-watt motors with a 12 ampere hour battery, offering up to 13 miles of travel range. It folds in just 3 seconds and fits easily into most car trunks, making it perfect for travel and storage. The removable battery charges separately, and the seat and back cushions are easy to clean. Comfortable design includes padded armrest and raised footrests. It handles all types of terrain like grass, snow, and bumpy roads. A tight turning radius helps with indoor use. No assembly is needed. Comes with a full warranty and reliable 24/7 customer support, plus a 30-day return policy. Number 11, Rubicon D17. This strong and reliable electric wheelchair is built for all types of terrain and easy everyday use. Powered by two 300-watt motors, it can handle hills, grass, sand, and uneven ground with no problem. It works in both electric and manual modes, giving flexibility in different situations. The lightweight aluminum frame folds in just 3 seconds, making it simple to carry and store. And at 56 pounds sitting directional support number, and a comfortable high-density foam seat supports longer rides, and the long-lasting lithium battery can travel up to 20 miles on a full charge. With a compact 32-inch turning radius, it's great for small indoor spaces, while its weather-resistant coating makes it ready for outdoor use too. It offers both comfort and freedom wherever you go. Number 10, ROBOOTER X40. This smart electric wheelchair is packed with modern features for comfort and mobility. It automatically folds in 3 seconds and fits in most car trunks, weighing under 92 pounds with the battery. The chair includes a lithium battery for 7.5 miles of travel, and a free backup battery is available upon request, extending range up to 15.5 miles. Designed for easy use, it offers strong dual motors, smooth turning, and 360-degree angle rotation in place. It's great for indoor and outdoor use, handling small obstacles and uneven ground. Safety features include auto brakes, anti-tip wheels, and beginner-friendly controls. It can be controlled by a joystick or smartphone app, which allows folding, driving, tracking mileage, and switching modes with ease. Perfect for seniors and daily travel. Number 9. WHILL Model C2. This portable power wheelchair is designed for comfort and active use, supporting up to 300 pounds. It features adjustable seat height and backrest angles along with 3 seat width options of 16 inches, 18 inches, or 20 inches to suit individual needs. Powered by strong dual motors, it handles rough terrain, climbs slopes up to 10-degree angle, and rolls over obstacles up to 2 inches high. It disassembles in just 4 simple steps, making it easy to load into a car trunk, perfect for travel or daily use. With a 29.9-inch turning radius and unique front wheels, it smoothly navigates tight indoor spaces. You can also connect to a smartphone app to drive remotely, check battery status, or lock the chair for extra safety. Number 8. Rubicon DX02. This lightweight foldable electric wheelchair is designed especially for seniors, weighing just 40 pounds for easy handling and transport. Its foldable frame makes storage simple and travel more convenient. Equipped with 2 250-watt motors, it offers smooth, stable movement and easy control. With a range of up to 12 miles on a full charge, it's perfect for daily use without constant recharging. It's also airline approved, making it a great option for travel. The wheelchair features comfortable seating, simple controls, and a detachable battery for easy charging. Ideal for seniors, it combines power, portability, and user-friendly design, making it a smart and reliable mobility solution for both everyday use and trips away from home. Number 7. Vive Mobility Jazzy Air 2. This motorized electric wheelchair is designed for adults and supports up to 300 pounds. It offers comfortable and customizable seating with a reclining sport seat, adjustable armrests, and an optional headrest to support the neck. The seat lifts and lowers in just 11 seconds, helping users easily reach higher surfaces or sit at standard tables. The integrated foot platform adjusts to reduce pressure and improve comfort whether raised or not. Featuring mid-wheel drive and a stable suspension system, it provides a smooth ride over different surfaces. With a top speed of 4 miles per hour and a range of up to 16.8 miles per charge, plus bright LED lights for visibility, it's perfect for daily use and independence. Number 6. WHILL Model F. This foldable and lightweight power wheelchair is perfect for adults and the elderly, weighing less than 53 pounds when the battery is removed. It offers high performance with a 12.4-mile range on a full charge and a 250-pound weight capacity. The wheelchair can reach speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour. With the smart app, users can control the chair remotely, adding convenience. Its powerful motors allow it to climb obstacles up to 1.4 inches, and the tight 30.7-inch turning radius makes it easy to maneuver in narrow spaces. The wheelchair is adjustable, allowing you to customize the controller and armrest height, armrest side, and width, providing comfort and flexibility for various needs. Number 5. Rubicon EW11000. This foldable reclining electric wheelchair offers a range of 25 miles with a 24 ampere-hour extended battery and 600-watt motors. The backrest is adjustable from 90 degree to 180 degree, allowing you to recline for rest or sleep, with a customizable headrest height and angle for comfort. The ergonomic backrest provides support for the lumbar, neck, and spine to prevent discomfort. Powered by 2 300-watt motors, it's strong enough to handle various terrains, ensuring easy travel. The armrest can be lifted on both sides for easy entry and exit, and the joystick is adjustable for either side. With a retractable rod for convenient folding and smooth shock absorption, this wheelchair ensures a comfortable and sturdy ride even on rough surfaces. Number 4. Vive Mobility. This portable, lightweight electric wheelchair offers smooth and stable mobility for individuals with limited movement due to injury or illness. It's designed to easily navigate indoor spaces with a tight 25-inch turning radius and 2.5-inch ground clearance, making it perfect for smooth surfaces like pavement or concrete. The chair features a 360-degree joystick controller that allows easy maneuverability with speeds up to 4 miles per hour, and the controller can be adjusted for left or right use. The comfortable 18-inch by 20-inch cushioned seat supports up to 300 pounds and includes adjustable height, recline, and swiveling for easy transfers. The footrest and armrests are also adjustable for a customized fit. It comes with a 5-year warranty on the frame and a 6-month warranty on electrical parts. Number 3. Golden Technologies Scooter. This portable scooter-powered wheelchair combines the convenience of a scooter with the functionality of a powered wheelchair, providing enhanced mobility and independence. It easily transitions between a scooter and wheelchair, offering flexibility for different needs. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, making it ideal for travel and daily use. The chair includes a convenient under-seat storage basket for personal items, is designed for smooth navigation both indoors and outdoors, ensuring users can move with confidence. The comfortable seat and ergonomic design provide a pleasant ride, and the adjustable armrests and footrests enhance convenience. While it may become uncomfortable for extended use, it remains a versatile and reliable solution for improved mobility. Number 2. VOCIC V40. This versatile 2-in-1 walker and transport chair offers a practical solution for seniors, combining the support of a walker with the comfort of a transport chair. It allows for an active lifestyle while providing a seat for resting, promoting independence and confidence in daily activities. The chair features a 1.2-inch thick cushion for added comfort, non-inflatable rubber wheels for improved traction, and an extended backrest for safety. It folds easily for storage and transport, fitting in most car trunks. With 10 inches front wheels and shock absorption, it smoothly navigates various terrains. The adjustable handlebars and backrest ensure a comfortable, customizable experience. Eligible for FSA or HSA savings, this product offers affordability and flexibility for seniors seeking enhanced mobility. Number 1. COYE Folding Reclining Wheelchair. This folding reclining wheelchair features a durable aluminum alloy frame designed to support up to 220 pounds. It has 7-inch front wheels and 20-inch rear wheels for easy maneuverability. The backrest can recline from a 90-degree angle to nearly flat at 165 degrees, offering zero gravity comfort. The chair includes an adjustable leg rest and arm rests, which can be set at a 90-degree angle and adjusted for height. The U-shaped pillow provides head and neck support and is detachable for added flexibility. The seat measures 18 inches by 17 inches deep and is made of breathable mesh for comfort. The wheelchair also includes a deceleration brake for easy operation, making it both practical and comfortable. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.